Find the linear velocity of a point on the edge of a wheel rotating 48 times per minute. And they tell you that the diameter of the wheel is 27 inch. So first you need to think, okay, what is asking for? They're asking for the linear velocity. You basically have a circle or a wheel, and you have a point on the edge, and you want to be able to find out what is the velocity of this point if the wheel is rotating 18 times per minute. And they tell you that there's a radius. The diameter is 27 inches. So therefore the radius will be half of that. So it will be 13.5 inches. And you're looking for the velocity. So you need to be able to remember the velocity. Linear velocity, is that your V or your W? So linear velocity is your V. And you have to remember your formula for your V. We have two formulas that we can use for V. The first one is V is equal to S, which is the arc length, over time. And your second one is V is equal to RW, radius multiplied by the angular velocity. In this case, they give you the radius, and they also tell you that the wheel is rotating 48 times per minute. So you have to recognize that whenever they tell you 48 times per minute, that is your angular velocity. That is how fast the angle is changing. So it's 48 times per minute. Now, I need to be able to change the times into radians. So therefore, I'm going to make my conversion table. 48 times are on top, so therefore times will be on the bottom. So if it rotates one time, what is the angle in radians? So one time rotation will be equal to 2 pi. Multiply across, so it gives me 48 times 2 pi will give me 96 pi radians per minute. So in this case, your times canceled out. And if you notice, your answer are given to you as feet. Your radius is in inches, so I'm going to go ahead and change my radius 13.5 inches, and I'm going to change it to feet. Inches are on top, so therefore inches will be on the bottom. So I'll be 12 inches is equal to 1 foot. And I'm just going to divide, and that will give me 13.5. I'm going to divide by 12, and that gives me 1.125. 1.125 feet. So now that I have my R and my W in the units that I need, I can go ahead and plug it into the formula. So V is equal to R, which is 1.125 feet, multiplied by W, which is 96 pi per minute. And once I multiply it out, so I'll be 1.125. I'm going to multiply by 96 and multiply by pi. And I need to say whole number, so I'll be 339. So therefore my velocity is 339 feet per minute. So therefore your answer is letter C.